For many, owning a Mercedes-Benz is a lifelong dream. The badge, the luxury, the prestige. It's easy to be drawn in by the allure of German engineering, but beneath the surface, some models hide costly issues that can turn your dream car into a financial headache. Not all Benzes are created equal. Some offer outstanding reliability and long-term value. Others are best left in the showroom or the junkyard. In this guide, we'll highlight 3 Mercedes models to avoid and 4 standout vehicles that deliver the performance, luxury, and dependability you deserve, especially if you're in your 40s, 50s, or enjoying retirement. 3 Mercedes-Benz models that could break the bank. Number 1, Mercedes-Benz ML 350, 2006 to 2011. At first glance, the ML350 looks like a dream SUV. Sleek styling, a plush interior, and an affordable price on the used market. But beneath its premium appearance lies a serious risk. The real trouble comes from the M272 V6 engine, which suffers from a notorious defect, a faulty balance shaft gear. This flaw often causes engine failure before 80,000 miles, with repair bills ranging from $4,000 to $6,000. And that's just the beginning. Owners have reported chronic transmission issues like hard shifting and delayed gear changes, as well as persistent electrical glitches that mechanics struggle to fix. Some trims came with air suspension systems that are prone to fail once out of warranty, leading to more costly repairs. Add frequent problems with fuel sensors and window regulators, and it's easy to see how this SUV can drain your wallet. Later models from 2009 to 2010 may be slightly more reliable, especially if the engine flaw has been corrected. Still, a pre-purchase inspection by a certified Mercedes-Benz specialist is a must. While a few ML350s have gone beyond 150,000 miles trouble-free, those are the exception, not the rule. Number 2, Mercedes-Benz GL450, 2007 to 2012. The GL450 was Mercedes' bold entry into the full-size SUV market, 3 rows, V8 power, and commanding presence. On paper, it looked like the ultimate family luxury hauler. In reality, it became one of the brand's most expensive mistakes for owners. A key weak point is its aromatic air suspension, notorious for leaking or collapsing, often before 60,000 miles, with repair costs easily reaching $4,000 to $6,000. But the problems don't stop there. The M273 V8 engine is prone to serious issues like timing chain tensioner and balance shaft failures, which can lead to massive repair bills. Electrical gremlins are also common. Malfunctioning lift gates, unresponsive infotainment systems, and a parade of warning lights can quickly turn into an ongoing headache. And since Mercedes repairs often require specialized tools and diagnostics, even minor fixes come with premium labor costs. Depreciation only adds insult to injury. Once out of warranty, resale value plummets, making it hard to justify major repairs. If you're still considering a GL450, limit your search to the 2011 to 2012 models with documented suspension replacements or coil spring conversions. And always get a full inspection from a Mercedes-Benz specialist. A rare, well-maintained GL450 might serve you well, but for most, it's a luxury best left on the lot. Number 3, Mercedes-Benz C230 Compressor, 2003 to 2007. The C230 Compressor attracted buyers with its sleek styling, compact size, and the allure of affordable Mercedes ownership. Its supercharged 4-cylinder engine promised sporty performance and European charm, but the reality was far less appealing. At the heart of the trouble is the M271 engine, notorious for premature timing chain failure, sometimes before 100,000 miles. When that chain goes, engine damage can be catastrophic, often requiring a full replacement that costs thousands. The supercharger, a key selling point, also ages poorly, leading to oil leaks, sensor failures, and declining performance. Interior quality was another letdown. Many owners report fading buttons, cracking leather, and peeling trim, clear signs of cost cutting that tarnished the Mercedes-Benz brand. Compared to rivals like Lexus or Acura, the C230 simply didn't hold up over time. While a small number of meticulous owners have kept theirs running smoothly, most drivers faced constant repairs, rapid depreciation, and difficulty reselling. If you're shopping for an entry-level Mercedes, skip the C230 Compressor and focus instead on the more refined next-gen C-Class. 4 Mercedes-Benz models that are actually worth owning. Number 1, Mercedes-Benz E-Class W212, 2010 to 2016. The W212 E-Class, produced from 2010 to 2016, is widely regarded as one of the most dependable and well-balanced Mercedes models in recent history. It represents a return to the brand's core values: refined engineering, understated luxury, and long-term reliability. Powered by the M276 V6, the W212 avoids the costly engine flaws of earlier models. This engine is known for its smooth performance, solid fuel economy, and strong dependability. Both J.D. Power and Consumer Reports consistently rate the W212 highly, especially in drivetrain and electrical reliability. Inside, the cabin features top-tier materials that age gracefully, with minimal wear even after years of use. Better yet, maintenance is refreshingly reasonable. Routine services like oil changes, filters, and brakes are typically all that's needed to keep the E350, the standout trim, running smoothly. The facelifted 2014 to 2016 models are especially appealing thanks to updated tech and stronger resale value. If you're in the market for a luxury sedan that delivers class without the headache, the W212 E-Class is one of Mercedes-Benz's most reliable and rewarding offerings. Number 2. Mercedes-Benz C-Class W204, 2008 to 2014. If the previous C-Class left a sour taste in buyers' mouths, the W204 was Mercedes' redemption story. Built from 2008 to 2014, the W204 generation focused on simplicity, durability, and value, all without compromising the brand's signature style and comfort. Instead of the problematic supercharged engines, the W204 used the more reliable M272 and M276 naturally aspirated V6s. These engines, when maintained properly, can easily surpass 200,000 miles. The 7-speed automatic transmission used in most models was another highlight. It provided smooth shifts, minimal issues, and longevity that owners appreciated. J.D. Power and Consumer Reports ranked this generation much higher than its predecessor, particularly in powertrain and electrical reliability. The C300 and C350 trims are often recommended, especially from the 2011 to 2014 model years, which included a mid-cycle refresh that improved everything from ride quality to interior tech. The W204 represents a rare win in the luxury segment, a Mercedes that's not only affordable to buy, but also affordable to own. Number 3. Mercedes-Benz GLE 350, 2016 to 2019. After years of missteps in the SUV department, Mercedes finally got it right with the GLE 350. Introduced in 2016 as a replacement for the ML350, the GLE brought with it meaningful improvements in both mechanical design and real-world reliability. Most GLE 350s came equipped with the tried-and-true M276 V6 engine, which had already proven itself in the E-Class. This engine didn't suffer from the catastrophic issues seen in previous generations. More importantly, Mercedes offered this SUV with standard coil springs in many trims, eliminating the problematic Airmatic air suspension. That change alone dramatically reduced the risk of high-cost suspension failures. Both Consumer Reports and J.D. Power gave the GLE 350 high marks for reliability and ownership satisfaction, particularly in the 2017 and 2018 model years. As long as buyers keep up with oil changes, cooling system checks, and basic maintenance, these SUVs can easily surpass 150,000 miles without major repairs. For families or older drivers wanting peace of mind in a luxury SUV, the GLE 350 delivers exactly that. Number 4. Mercedes-Benz E-Class W211, 2006 to 2009 facelift only. If you love the solid, stately feel of old-school Mercedes-Benz cars, the facelifted W211 E-Class is a perfect blend of tradition and modern practicality, but caution is essential. Only the 2006 to 2009 models are worth considering, as earlier versions suffered from serious issues like the Sensotronic brake control system. In the facelifted models, Mercedes replaced the problematic brake setup with a traditional system, vastly improving reliability. The balanced shaft issues in the M272 engine were also addressed by this time, making this generation a solid performer in long-distance driving and daily use. Owner reports frequently praise this model for crossing 200,000 miles with minimal drama. Build quality is excellent, comfort levels are high, and repair costs are far more reasonable than you'd expect from a German luxury car. For those looking for timeless quality without the modern-day price tag, the W211 E-Class is a fantastic choice. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, informative, informative, or maybe it saved you from a $5,000 mistake, do me a favor, hit that like and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, drive smart, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next one.